everyone is talking about just the boom of the apartment industry right now, but at the same time, they're very focused on their revenue growth, and it's very difficult because it's very competitive. There's a lot of new development that's coming in online, 28,000 units. From a investor standpoint, you have a typical rent growth of 2.5% to 3%. However, from a property tax perspective, what we're seeing in Harris County, which is one of the largest appraisal districts in the nation, they're very aggressive. And we used to see an average for about 4 years, about a 7 or 10% growth just for apartments. But what we've noticed just over the last year is double-digit growth to 15 to certain areas, east, north, more central. We're starting to see anywhere between 25 to 30% assessment growth on those properties.
I think there's tremendous amount of fund flows coming into real estate, given low global yields. If you sort of step back for a second and think about where weighted average global bond yield is today between the U.S. Treasuries, corporate bonds, European Treasuries, which are sometimes yielding negative yields, that weighted average yield is 1.7%. So relative to such compressed yield, real estate presents a very attractive proposition for a real asset with healthy yields.
I think the economy for Houston in 2020 is strong. One of the drivers, selfishly, I would say, is the Port of Houston Authority. We finished 2019 with another double-digit import and export advantage and increase. We continue to be the fastest growing container port in the nation, so that's helping drive the economy for the real estate in both the southeast submarket and on the west side, as retail and everything is trying to get further outside to serve Austin and San Antonio. We're only a month into 2020, obviously, but we're seeing that trend continue in January with a strong import and export numbers out of the port, and we think that'll continue out throughout the year.
We had a good panel session today with a lot of institutional investors who feel very strongly that the 2020 year will bring good activity in the commercial real estate industry within the United States.